What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Goulds Gaming and Tech channel. We are here with another case review. This is the Pitaka MagEZ Case 3. This is for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So if you're looking for a case that is very thin but stylish and effective, this is the case for you. If you want to know how it holds up when it's actually applied to the phone, this is the video for you. But before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's definitely appreciated. And if you're new or returning, make sure to hit that like button. It's appreciated as well. Spidey's here. You guys know he is my official timekeeper. He makes sure these videos aren't too long because I'm not about wasting you guys' time. I want to get you in and get you out and make it effective where you get the information you need and then you dip. It's okay. I'm cool with that. First thing, we're going to touch on the price. Now this case, Pitaka is pretty much known for having pretty good quality cases as far as like the look of them and the material of them, but they're a little bit pricey. So this case in particular is $59.99 on Amazon.com. The link will be in the description below. My personal thoughts, I think all these Pitaka cases, especially the MagEZ ones, they're a bit overpriced. I think at max these cases should be 30 bucks because yeah, the cases, you know, it can be stylish. It makes your phone feel a lot thinner in the hands and makes you actually feel like you're holding your phone and not a big brick, but it still doesn't offer the protection that a lot of other cases offer. This offers the bare minimum protection. So since we're losing all of that protection, at most this case should be $30. But hey, what do I know? I just buy it, I put it on my phone, I do a review, and you guys let me know what's up. So Pitaka, if you're listening to this, please reduce the price of these cases because you're trying to charge an arm and a leg for this thin case. But whatever, that's neither here nor there. Let's open this bad boy up really quick. So if you know anything about Pitaka, at least for me, the last Pitaka case, I think I got the MagEZ Case 2. Didn't come in this kind of box, so this one's a little bit different. This is not styrofoam. It looks like styrofoam, kind of feels like styrofoam, but it's not. Pitaka, we care for our planet. Okay, that's great. And there you have it. This is the Pitaka MagEZ Case 3. So you have your case right here, and they have actually removal instructions because when you put this case on and you take it off of your phone, you want to make sure you're taking it off and putting it on in the same order, essentially, because it is a very, very thin case and it has the potential of possibly breaking. Okay, from my experience with Pitaka cases, they hold up pretty well, but you want to make sure you know how to put the case on because it'll kind of let you know if you're putting it on wrong. So what else is in here? You have a thank you, and let's see what's in here. It's probably some booklets. Obviously we're not looking into those right now, so we're gonna put this back in here. All right, so here is your case. If you know Pitaka and these MagEZ cases, there's no buttons, there's only cutouts. This is where your volume up and down switch would be, but it just has a cutout for that. This is your speakers and charging port. This is your power button / Siri cutout, and then you have the Pitaka branding inside with the MagSafe ring in here, and then you have the cutout for your camera, and it's pretty raised. So we all know that since the iPhone 14 Pro Max had a bump, literally, in the camera specs, the camera modules are a little bit larger, so most cases you get that camera module cutout is going to be a little large. I have a little charger right here. Usually I would, you know, put the charger in to make sure that my phone can actually charge through a case, but since there's this wide gap here, we don't need to do that. Let's talk about the feel of it. How does it feel? It's smooth, but it's textured at the same time. This is the 1500D Aramid case. You can get 1500 or 600. I decided to go with the 1500 because I'm more familiar with that one. It feels very nice. The edges and I guess the pieces that aren't cut out, they feel very firm, very sturdy. So it doesn't feel like a flimsy case. I know it looks very thin, and it is very thin, but it doesn't feel like a flimsy case. I do know some Pitaka cases are fingerprint magnets. This one seems to hold up right now. I'm gonna snap this on right here. So my rule of thumb is to put the opposite of the camera side on first. That usually lets everything snap into place pretty well. Snap 1, snap 2, snap 3, snap 4. And you have it just like that. Like I said, this is minimal, if any, protection. Only thing this is really going to protect is the back part of your phone and maybe your cameras. Pretty much if it lands like flat, it is minimal, if any. You can barely see it raised over the phone. So if you slam your phone face down, you're pretty much getting screen to table. or screen to ground, screen to floor, whatever it is. Just know this phone or this case is for style points only, not necessarily for protection. But as far as the borders or the corners, if you drop it on any corner, it's going to protect it in that regard. And as far as this case in particular, if it drops, my experience with Pitaka cases, they don't really pop off. Like the edges won't pop off. Some cases will if they're not snug enough on the actual device, but Pitaka cases, like I said, they're very sturdy when it comes to those borders that actually do protect. It does have MagSafe, as you saw, so we're gonna put this on here. So it's pretty sturdy, so you won't have any issues with that. Wireless charging works the same. Personally, I like Pitaka. They make pretty good cases for, like, if you want that slim, bare bones feel. They make good cases for that. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Again, thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.